In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting ID and passcode for a Zoom meeting on your desktop, enabling you to schedule it and share it securely. With so many virtual meetings happening today, knowing how to set one up securely is crucial for maintaining privacy and ensuring a smooth experience for all attendees. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign in to the Zoom web portal or open up the Zoom desktop app. Once you're logged in, you'll see the navigation menu on the side. Here, you should look for the Meetings tab. Click on it, then select Schedule a Meeting from the drop-down options. This will open up a scheduling form where you can input all the necessary details for your upcoming meeting. The first thing you'll want to do in this form is enter a topic or a name for your meeting. This name will help your attendees identify the meeting, so make it clear and relevant to the meeting's agenda. Next, you'll need to set the date, time, and duration for your meeting. These details are critical as they ensure everyone knows exactly when the meeting will happen and how long it's expected to last. Under the Meeting ID section, you'll have two choices. You can either opt for Zoom to generate a unique meeting ID automatically, or you can use your personal meeting ID, often referred to as PMI. The automatically generated option adds an extra layer of security as it creates a different ID each time, whereas your PMI remains constant and is more suitable for regular, recurring meetings with the same group. Choose what best fits your situation. Another important aspect to focus on is the security section. Here, you should ensure that the passcode box is checked. This adds an extra level of security by requiring anyone who wants to join your meeting to enter a passcode. You have the option to either create a custom passcode or allow Zoom to generate one for you. Selecting a custom passcode might be easier to remember, but a randomly generated one can be harder for unauthorized users to guess. Once you've set your security preferences, take a moment to explore and configure any additional options that might enhance your meeting. This could include enabling a waiting room, adjusting video and audio settings, or integrating a calendar invite, which could streamline the scheduling process for your participants. After you've gone through all these steps, the final move is to click Save or Schedule. This action will create your meeting, complete with a unique meeting ID and passcode. You're now all set to share these details securely with your attendees, ensuring everyone can enter the meeting with ease and that everything is safeguarded. And that's it. Following these steps will help you confidently set up and share your Zoom meetings securely. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials like this one.